Did you understand, children? So let's move on. Here, some of you have made mistake here again. Here we are comparing just the hare and the tortoise. Hare na another. The other word for rabbit is hare. Okay, the hare is dash than the tortoise. ரெண்டுத்தையும் compare பண்றோம். அப்ப என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Lazier, lazier, laziest. Many of you have written laziest. It is lazier. You are comparing two. Two compare பண்ணும்போது er. Okay, more than two na est. Okay, this quilt na ஒரு thickana bed sheet that you used to cover. Okay, in countries like America and what to say, other western countries where it is very cold, like Australia, UK and everywhere, they will call the bed sheets as quilt. Okay, which will be more thicker, ரொம்ப thick-ஆ இருக்கும். சரியா? This quilt is dash than that. So இங்க என்ன பண்றோம்? இந்த ஒரு quiltக்கும் இன்னொரு quiltக்கும் compare பண்றோம். So you will write warmer, warmer. Okay, please change this too. Okay, her dress is dash. So her dress is very simple. இருக்குங்க. இங்க நம்ம கம்பேரும் பண்ணல, வேற யார பத்தியும் பேசல. Okay, her dress is beautiful. Okay, அவ்வளவுதான். very simple-ஆ முடிக்கணும். ஏனா we are talking about only one person. Okay, then cotton wool is dash than paper. Now here we are comparing. ரெண்டு விஷயத்தை compare. So er. I hope you got it. So now let's move on to the new poem. Okay, from a railway carriage. Okay, we are going to read it. Okay, faster than fairies, faster than witches. Fairies na தேவதைகள் சொல்லுவோம். Okay, faster than fairies and faster than witches. Who's the witches? A lady who does magic is called witches. Okay, faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. Ditches na பள்ளம். Okay, hedge na corner la. Okay, do you understand? Okay, and charging along like troops in a battle. Troops means group of people go together for fighting. Okay, not one people, group is called a troop. Okay, all through the meadows, the horse and cattle. Meadows na நிறைய புல்லு வளர்ந்திருக்க இடம், like this. This is called meadows. All through the meadows, the horse and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain. So what happened? It is just a description of the place, and the title is From a Railway Carriage. Okay, and every again in the wink of an eye. Wink means just கண்ணு ஒரு கண்ணு மூடி இன்னொரு கை திறப்பாங்கல்ல, that is called winking. Okay, wink of an eye. Wink means just close one eye and open another. Okay, painted station whistle by. Okay, so when you cross a railway station, what happened? Can you hear the whistle sound? Yes, isn't it? Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stringing the daisies. Daisies is a flower. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a hill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Okay, Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, so this poem, okay, it describes, okay, the scene through the window of a fast moving train. Okay, so when the train is moving faster, okay, what all scene you see around when you're traveling. Okay, so that is what this poem is talking. Okay, so let's read along with the meaning here. Okay, shall we? Faster than fairies, faster than witches. Train will move faster than the fairies. Fairies na angels சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, like that. Faster than witches, magic பண்ற lady. Bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. இதெல்லாம் தாண்டி ஒரு train வந்து fast move பண்ணுது, isn't it? So that's how you read. Faster than fairies, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches. What is the meaning of the hedges? Read it from your meaning in the next page. Okay, long trench dug at the side of fields or road. Okay, that is pallam, adha solranga. Okay, and charging along like troops in a battle. I told you what is the meaning of the word troop. A group of soldiers. Okay, then in the words still, if you don't know the meaning, you can check here. Okay, then all through the meadows, the horses and cattle. Okay, so when you're moving the train is moving faster. Okay, it is crossing the meadows where there is lot of grasses, and you can see the horse and cattle and animals. Okay, see, the train is passing all that. Okay, can you see the horses? And these are the cattle, cows and goats and sheep, all are called cattle. All of the side of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain. Rain evlo fast பெய்யுமோ அதே மாதிரி நம்ம கண்ணை விட்டு கடகடன்னு மூவ் ஆகுது. எப்படி? when you move on in the train, fast moving train, that is how you will feel. And ever again in the wink of an eye, painted station whistle by. Within a closing, like wink is one eye closed and one eye open. Okay, within short period of time you will cross each station. Okay, one station will be crossed after another. Okay, when that is the time you hear the sound of the whistle. Okay, here is a child who clambers and scrambles. Okay, what is the meaning of the word clambers? Here, climbs or moves with difficulty. That is called clambers. Okay, scrambles, move with difficulty using hands. Okay, clambers and scrambles. Okay, so anyway, it's moving with difficulty. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. So this child, the train is a child nu solranga. Okay, what is the meaning of the word bramble? Do you have the meaning of the word bramble here? Yeah, bushes on which blackberries grow. Okay, brambles is the bush. Okay, blackberries is a kind of fruit. Okay, all by himself and gathering brambles. Okay, here is a tramp who stands and gazes. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes. What is the meaning of the tramp? A person with no home or job. Okay, who travels from one place to another. So tramp is, so one person is standing and he's just looking at the train. People who does not have a job, they just stare, isn't it? And what is the meaning of the word gaze? Gaze is looks. Okay, look at something for a long time is called gaze. Okay, all there is the green for stinging the daisies. So all there, okay, it means they are just, daisies is the kind of flower. Okay, so do you see the meaning of the word daisy here? Yeah, small white flowers. Okay, so here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for stinging the daisies. Okay, here is a cart runs away on the road. So when the train passes, lot of things are crossing. So they can see a man who is not jobless. He is standing there and gazing. That is, he is looking at the train for a long time, and you can see the daisies, the white flowers. And then there is also a cart. What is a cart? You have the bullock cart, isn't it? Where the bull just rolls it, isn't it? In the olden days. Here is a cart runs away on the roads. So train will run on the track and the cart is running on the road. Lumping along with man and load. What is lumping? Lumping is here, carrying something with difficulty. So that cart is carrying something in it. Okay, and there is a man is also in that who is riding the cart. And here is a hill and there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Each a glimpse na ஒன்னும் ஒரு செகண்ட் தான் பார்க்க முடியும். ஒரு கண்ணு மூடி திறக்கிறதுக்குள்ள you cross it. So here is இங்க ஒரு hill இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு river இருக்கு. இது எல்லாமே எப்ப பார்க்க முடியும்? It will just move on and on within a flash of within your wink of an eye. Okay, children, do you understand? This is an exciting poem of the train. Okay, when the train moves, these are the things happen and which happens very fast. So that is what is described here. Okay, see, the poet has beautifully described the scene through the window of a fast moving train. Okay, the poet is sitting inside the train and he is just observing all that and he is feeling it. Okay, so you're going to read and enjoy the beauty of nature from a moving train. You can also write a poem like this when you move in a train. Do you understand, children? So today's homework will be, I want you to read this poem. Okay, and this will be your memory poem. It means you're going to memorize it. Okay, so today is Tuesday. On Friday you will say it. Okay, so say it by heart. Okay, every day if you learn two lines, you will be able to complete it. Okay, so today you will record and send it by seeing it. Before Friday, please memorize it. Okay, so that is all for today. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.